Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot. Went thrifting and got quite the haul. I actually went for a specific item. You know, I like to work in air dry clay, but the thing with that is you need a nice flat surface. And I was using paper for it that wasn't upcycled from wallpaper. If you saw the wallpaper video, you know what type it is. But still, that was creating a waste that seemed kind of unnecessary. So I went for a cutting board. This is those old cutting boards that is real bumpy on this side, and that's the side you're supposed to cut on. But the other side is smooth as silk, glass. So yeah, pretty perfect. Got it for $5. And now I have a way to roll out clay, super smooth and easy to clean up. And then I decided, oh, what the heck, while I'm out, I'll start working on some Halloween decor. So not to scare anybody I know, no, we're not expecting.
We all know.
No. But yeah, most people who know me know, yeah, that time's sailed. But here's the thing, this little sign, isn't it cute? And it can be also hung up too and everything like that. I'm gonna use it as Halloween decor, and I got it for $1.99. So just a heads up, if you're out looking for, Halloween decor, not just costumes, can be found at thrift stores. You just have to tweak them a little bit. And speaking of tweaking things a little bit, this wasn't anything I was looking for, but I kind of love it.
Looks like a gift basket.
It's a nice little metal basket. I could use it as is, considering I'm going to use this as a toilet paper roll holder. Yeah. I just think it's, a little nicer that your guest you never have to worry about, or yourself even. If you run out of toilet paper, there should be a nice roll.
I get it. We all get it.
Yeah, it's a bit too much information. But anyway, you know me, I can't leave well enough alone. And not to mention, my bathroom I'm putting this in has a hint of copper. Now, I have done copper before. Copper videos, I'll have links. I usually like to take copper all the way to the green patina stage. However, my bathroom, I want it to be more just the aged copper, not quite to patina. So that's what I'm going to try and do with this. With some copper spray and then some aging, not quite to a patina, just a little bit of aging with some dark acrylic paint. So here it is, freshly sprayed. And it's looking actually kind of nice. I could leave it as is and just go about my day. But I want to add a little more depth to it. So, time for some black acrylic paint. As you're going about your painting, you're checking to make sure that you don't have too much anywhere or too little somewhere. You want to make sure you have it just as you like it, and then leave it to dry for a little bit. It doesn't really take very long to dry, less than an hour. Then you want to add your top coat. Now, the top coat you go with, it's entirely up to you. I think if I were shopping, I might go out and buy a gloss top coat because I kind of like the idea of it having a little shine to it. But as I have a satin sitting around, I'm going to go ahead and go with this. Technically, this is where I would say, let's look back at where we started and then show you the after. But let's face it, with the cutting board, I took off the price tag.
Fancy.
The actual sandwich board, or that
Sounds
with
like
the
a
rope
song.
thing, that I haven't done anything with yet because it is going to be a part of another video that I am currently also working on. It's Halloween decor, so definitely click subscribe for that. Give a thumbs up if you're already subscribed. Really appreciate that. It helps out the channel. But I did change up one thing, and that's that basket. Let's go back to what it looked like, and now what it looks like now. Yeah, not exactly the most exciting thing. It's a toilet paper roll holder, but it's useful and it makes me happy. Here's actually where it sits in the bathroom, but I didn't want to do the whole video of that, just a snapshot of it, because I don't know, didn't feel like cleaning my whole bathroom.
Ew.
Yeah, maybe that. But also I just thought, ooh, let's do a camera focus around a toilet. Just didn't seem right. So thanks so much for watching the Asking Spot. Got bloopers, I imagine, next. I'm going to tweak up that toilet paper roll holder. Okay, let's just call it the basket. Yeah. Having to reach around into the vanity or dig around in there to get some more. I'd rather just have them out in a cute little basket. Now, granted, it's not going to be a bunch of them, but it'll be enough that it'll never have...
What are you?
I am way digressing in this. Yeah, okay, well, you get the idea. Clear enamel stain, or satin. I can read. It's the same. The toilet paper roll holder, though, here's how that turned out. I should say the copper basket. I love being sweaty hot when I'm doing these things. And ask you to give us a subscribe, click button thingy, do that, and thumbs up if you've already subscribed. That would be great.
Say what?
Really? I can't get that little part done?